It's a 2009 Acura TSX. Driven by those who know that the best way to get from point A to point B isn't always a straight line. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, front heated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, auxiliary audio input, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive reports that car takes corners at speed with noticeably more confidence and less body lean than the previous generation model, thanks in part to 2 1/2 inch wider track. At Acura, we manufacture exhilaration so you don't have to. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.